1.
Grab some old bottles and paint them brown. Why brown? Because it's classy and my other paint ran out. Painting these bottles brown looks simple, right? But trust me, it's the small things that make a difference in DIY. Now grab some paper sheets, red and white for me. But you can pick whatever color your heart desires. Maybe even rainbow if you are feeling bold. Time to make flowers. Cut, fold and stick. Making these flowers takes patience, but here's the fun part. You can customize them however you like. Red and white today, but what colors would you try? Hey, if you are enjoying this so far, just drop a nice star in the comments. It's free motivation for me.
Step 3.
Next, the stems, green paper for the sticks because flowers need a bit of greenery to feel at home. Then pop the flowers into the bottle.
Step 4.
Because I love shiny things, I added glitter. Glitter makes everything better, doesn't it? Okay, I added glitter because why not? The flowers are extra now, just like us.
Step 5. Optional.
Oh, and here's my experiment. I added lip gloss to some flowers. I don't know if it's art or madness, but hey, let's roll with it. By the way, don't touch the lip glow hack next time, it might be in a museum. finally a ribbon to give the bottle that fancy and expensive look. And we are done from trash to flower pot with a sprinkle of glitter and a dash of lip glow magic.